So yun guys, no? So dito tayo ngayon sa mga naglo-loading ng mga sasakyan. Guys, sa mga naghanap dyan ng sasakyan, ito bagong-bago CKD 63 ni siya, sir, no? 63 loading, 63 tanan?
Oh, kailangan.
63 ni tanan?
63 na kanan?
Di ba? 63 unit? 63? Di 63. Oh, shout out sa ating kaibigan. Okay, share, shout out. Kadit lang. Ato sa ning. Okay. Yan guys, oh. Yan po yung pag-load. Yes, that's the owner of the BK and Sons, guys, no? So nandito tayo ngayon. Ito, ganito po paano nila ililod, no? 63? 64? Scrum?
Scrum for wheel, 64, manual 4x4.
How much is the scrum as is?
So, it's like selling Recon.
As is.
Recon buyer.
Okay. How much is the Recon?
Saying upholstery registration is like 170, 175.
170, 175 aircon. 4x2.
This all units my 4x4 is complete.
Yeah. How much is the 4x4?
Price.
Different price. The 4x4.
A54 manual Recon have 230 to 40.
Yeah, 230 to 40. So yan guys, no? Yan po yung galing sa Japan. So this is how to load. Ito yung niloload nila. Okay. So shout out Clinton. Shout out kay Sir Clinton. So guys, yan po yung pag sa unit, no, galing Japan. Ito yung DE60 64 at DE63.
This is Scrum.
This is okay, Scrum. Four-wheel drive. Talaga naman bago yan, galing sa container. Alright. So ganyan po yung itsura kapag CKD, no? Usually ganito na CKD part. Ito ay DE Scrum type. Scrum ni boss, no?
Asa?
Kani?
Dili,
64B. 64B.
Bro, 4x4. Scrum eh.
Scrum na pick up. Yan. So, ganyan po yung pag unloading ng mga CKD. So yun guys, no? So natapos na din yung pagbibideo natin. So ganito lang yung outfit natin kasi sobrang init-ngita dito. So yan po yung mga sasakyang for assemble nila. Sa mga mag-order dyan, you just contact my number, also the number of the BK and Sons, no? So guys, no, yan yung mga unit nila. Yan yung sample the unit na i-finish. That's the finished product of their unit. So iba't iba yung mga klase dyan, no? So makikita nyo.
If you order, no problem.
So the reservation is no minimum 20,000, 30,000, 50,000 or either 100,000. It depends on you. Alright? So they have legal and legit. They have they have what we call this paper. So no problem if you transact here. Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.